Welcome back to the KK Autos. Today, we are looking at the Toyota Motorhome 2026, a groundbreaking innovation that combines Toyota's legendary reliability with futuristic design and modern luxury. For decades, Toyota has been known for building vehicles that last. And with the 2026 Motorhome, they have taken that same DNA and reimagined it into a complete travel solution for those who want comfort, technology, and performance all in one package. This motorhome isn't just about mobility, it's about creating a lifestyle on wheels where every journey feels like home. The exterior design of the Toyota Motorhome 2026 immediately captures attention. With its bold yet elegant look, Toyota has worked on aerodynamics to make sure this large vehicle still manages efficiency and smooth handling. At the front, you are welcomed by a sleek grille design with integrated LED matrix headlights that not only improve visibility, but also give the motorhome a premium and futuristic face. The large panoramic windshield offers a commanding view of the road, making long drives safer and more enjoyable. Along the sides, Toyota has cleverly added smooth body lines with flush door handles, wide windows for natural light, and extendable slide-out sections that expand the living space when parked. The rear end continues with the same modern language, featuring dynamic LED tail lamps and hidden compartments for extra storage. Overall, the exterior is a perfect balance of style and practicality, ensuring that the Toyota Motorhome 2026 looks as good parked at a campsite as it does cruising down the highway. Stepping inside reveals why Toyota calls this motorhome a complete travel innovation. The interior is designed to feel like a luxury apartment, crafted with premium materials and smart use of space. The living area is spacious and flexible with modular seating that can transform into recliners, a dining arrangement, or even extra bedding when needed. Soft leather upholstery, polished wood accents, and ambient LED lighting give the cabin a warm and sophisticated atmosphere. Large panoramic windows fill the interior with natural light, making the space feel even bigger. The kitchen is another standout feature. Toyota has equipped it with modern appliances like an induction cooktop, convection oven, large refrigerator, and even a compact dishwasher. Smart storage solutions, such as sliding shelves and hidden compartments, ensure that every inch of space is utilized efficiently. Moving to the bedroom, you'll find a full-size bed with a premium mattress, climate controls, and a panoramic sunroof that lets you enjoy stargazing at night. The bathroom is designed to rival hotel quality, with a rainfall shower, eco-friendly water systems, and premium fixtures that make daily use feel luxurious. Technology is everywhere. In the Toyota Motorhome 2026, a central touchscreen panel allows you to control everything from lighting and temperature to entertainment and security systems. Voice control integration makes it even easier to adjust settings while on the move. For entertainment, the motorhome comes with a large smart television, surround sound audio, and seamless smartphone connectivity. Wi-Fi and satellite options ensure you're never truly disconnected, no matter how far you travel. Performance is another area where Toyota excels. The Motorhome 2026 comes with a hybrid powertrain that combines a powerful gasoline engine with an advanced electric motor. This setup provides smooth acceleration, excellent towing capacity, and improved fuel efficiency compared to traditional motorhomes. Regenerative braking and rooftop solar panels add extra energy-saving benefits, making it ideal for eco-conscious travelers. Adaptive air suspension ensures that the ride remains smooth and stable, whether you are driving on highways or venturing onto rougher terrains. Toyota has also equipped it with all-wheel drive, giving drivers confidence in different weather conditions and environments. Safety has always been Toyota's strong point, and the Motorhome 2026 is no exception. It comes with Toyota Safety Sense, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert with steering assist, pre-collision warning, and pedestrian detection. Blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and a 360-degree camera system make maneuvering such a large vehicle much easier. Multiple airbags and reinforced body structure provide enhanced protection for all occupants, while advanced braking systems and stability control ensure secure handling at all times. When it comes to pricing, the Toyota Motorhome 2026 offers strong value for what it delivers. The base model is expected to start at around $220,000, while fully loaded versions with advanced tech packages and luxury upgrades may reach closer to $280,000. While this is an investment, the Toyota name guarantees durability, dependability, and lower long-term maintenance costs compared to many rivals. For families, adventurers, and even retirees looking for a reliable luxury motorhome, this vehicle offers peace of mind along with unmatched features. In conclusion, the Toyota Motorhome 2026 is not just a vehicle, it's an experience. From its futuristic exterior design to the luxury-filled interior, powerful yet efficient performance, and advanced safety technology, Toyota has built a motorhome that redefines travel for the modern age. It blends practicality with comfort, efficiency with luxury, and innovation with dependability. Whether you are planning long road trips, outdoor adventures, or simply want the freedom of a home on wheels,